YouTubers. We are here in the biology building in the lab of Dr. Todd Smith. Today we are going to be making a 7-layer color density column. So here we have 7 liquids: honey, dark corn syrup, dish soap, water, vegetable oil, rubbing alcohol, and lamp oil. So as you can see, all the materials needed for this experiment are all liquids. Liquids differ from solids in that their molecules can move more freely than molecules in the solid state. When a liquid is poured into a large container, it contains its original volume, whereas when a gas is added to a container, its molecules occupy the entire volume of the container.
Let's see what happens when we add the liquids on top of one another. We have the 7 liquids and their 9.5-ounce cups. You might think that when we pour the liquids into our beaker that they will blend together, but you will see that they will retain the order as they are poured.
One would assume that through the effects of gravity, that the liquids would blend together and not exist in separate layers. But this is not true due to their varying densities. Density is defined as the amount of mass per volume of space. That mass and volume could be present in the solid, liquid, or gas phase. The International System of Units, also known as SI units, defines density as kilogram per meter cubed or grams per centimeter cubed.
Here we have the 7 liquids densities expressed in grams per milliliter. Density is a physical property of water. Most people commonly assume the density of most liquids is the same density as liquid water, but this is not the case. The density of liquid water is 1 gram per milliliter. Also, remember that water in its liquid and solid form even have different densities. It should be noted that in this case, the density is measured as grams per centimeters cubed. The density of rubbing alcohol is 0.79. Lamp oil, 0.80, vegetable oil, 0.92, water, 1.0, dish soap, 1.06, corn syrup, 1.33, honey, 1.42.
The most dense liquids are present at the bottom of the beaker, and the least dense liquids are present towards the top of the beaker. For example, honey is the most dense and is the lowest liquid in the layers. Its density of 1.42 grams per milliliter is very close to the sugar's density of 1.4 grams per milliliter. This comparison makes sense as the 2 main components of honey is glucose and fructose, 2 simple sugars. Apart from honey's high density, it is also very viscous, meaning very thick and sticky.
And that concludes our density column experiment. Thanks for watching!